to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a quick walkthrough of this brand new 2021 32 Aviara outboard. Start up here in the bow of the boat. You can see very spacious, great area for kids or family, friends, whatever you're doing out on the water that day. Just a nice, comfortable area to hang out, very safe. It's nice and deep. I have my grab rails here. Some of the setup up here, we do have our speaker system, as well as cup holders everywhere. Obviously, you're gonna be entertaining if you're getting a bow rider like this. Just an awesome layout. You can see the lighting package up here. I'll discuss that when we get to the helm in a minute. And then also, this is right now has the filler pad in. There is also a table under this, so if you wanted to have some snacks or some dinner or lunch out on the water, you can do that. And you also have a table back in the cockpit, so you kind of have these two seating areas to entertain. As we walk through, you will notice that the opening here is on the port side of the boat. What that does, opens up access underneath here. You do have a very, very large head compartment with storage all around and a freshwater sink down there. Very easy to get in and out of, very comfortable. I'm 6'2" and I can fit in there easily. Up here at the helm station, all your controls, Aviara did a great job with this. So you have your engine display, your maps and data, and then you also have, you can control all your music, all your switches, all your colors again with those lights. I can slide this back and forth, whatever kind of mood you're in. You can see I can just kind of slide that over and you can change that lighting. You can also control the zones of the radio in here as well. So if you wanted it a little bit quieter here at the helm station so you can concentrate, you could turn the cockpit and the bow up and your guests could enjoy the music while you can kind of keep that down a little bit. This boat is equipped with twin 350 Mercury Verados. It also has joystick piloting, so it makes it very easy for the captain to control this boat. Whether you're going to dinner and you got to kind of parallel park at a bulkhead slip, you can do that very easily. Gives the captain full access and control of the boat. I will point out overhead, nice large hardtop. This does have the color matching. It goes with the seats in the exterior of the boat real well. It gives you a ton of coverage. Very nice. You can get out of the shade. And then you also, off the back here, it does have the extended sunshade. It's going to cover our back of the boat. I'll go over that in a second, and that seating area back there as well. As we come into the cockpit, if we could get the boat, again, I'll point out it does have the hookup for the table. So you do have those two areas that you can entertain guests and have some meals if you wanted to. Again, cup holders everywhere. They know you're going to have people on the boat. You're going to entertain family. You're going to entertain friends. They also tuck away 12 volt and USB. You know, if you have kids that want to charge tablets or phones or anything, there's access to that all over the place. So very well thought out, laid out boat that Aviara came up with. We do have a refrigerator on this side, as well as some storage areas. You got a freshwater sink under here, as well as a wine holder if you wanted to do that. That whole area can be iced down. Again, just really well thought out. As you pan down to the floor there, you see the cool pattern in the sea deck. Just goes along with the overall design of the boat. Really a home run that they came up with. Continuing to the back here, so I will point out this. It's a very interesting seating area. It's actually, it's awesome for when you're entertaining. So as you can see here, we have this seat flipped up. And then if I'm gonna step up here, I actually have like a stadium seating here where, you know, if you're hanging out at a sandbar, even if you're just at the dock, you have multiple levels here where you could fit 6 people across the back of the boat here. So where this is usually dead space, Aviara came up with this solution, and it's a home run. So again, thank you for taking that walkthrough with this brand new 2021 Aviara 32 outboard. This is a boat that we're showcasing for our winter sales event. So if you'd like to see this in person or talk more about it, you can reach us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.